Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like Tabula ads or other like that softwares from your Realme C55. So the start, if you see something like that on your in your web browser and trying to visit inside, just the spamming pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification virus, and you can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and by the antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps, choose app management and check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before by yourself, just something unwanted, just open it and click uninstall. No, not this one. No, like this one, and click uninstall, click OK, and that's it. In the second step, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Now choose the storage usage and tap on the manage space. Tap on the clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using the Avast for that, so we have to tap on the get started, next and skip. Now we have to close the ads, then tap on the continuous free and tap on the start scan. Allow a permission and go back to the antivirus app. Now choose the scan type. I'm always using the deep scan. And now, after the scanning process, all of the notification softwares, the viruses, malwares should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.